These are 3 reasons why you should ceramic coat your car. A ceramic coating is a glass-like barrier that's applied as a liquid, and it will bond to your paint that protects it against any kind of minor imperfections. Reason number 1, protecting against environmental contaminants. Environmental factors, UV rays, and normal day-to-day use of your car can break down the clear coat of it and cause failure, such as oxidation, fading, and peeling. When you have your car ceramic coated, all of these factors are stopped on the surface, and the more layers of a ceramic coating you have, the more protection that you get. You can add this to paint, plastics, glass, and metal. Reason number 2 is that your car is going to look good. It's going to be glossy and shiny like you just washed it and stay that way for longer. If you add this to a matte surface like paint or a vinyl wrap, it's going to increase the depth and color tone of that surface. Reason number 3 is your car is going to be a lot easier to clean. The hydrophobic properties of the coating repels dirt, dust, mud, and water, providing a low-maintenance solution for the exterior and interior surfaces of your car. Now, we recommend having your brand new car ceramic coated to preserve the value, but these coatings can also be applied to used cars to prevent any further damage from happening. And those are the 3 reasons why you should have your car ceramic coated. For more information on coatings, visit ceramicpro.com.